welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving for the value of x. So I have 25 to the power x minus 1 equals 64 5 over 2 to the power 6. So we're going to start this. This is exponential equation. We're going to start this as having 25 x to the power minus 1 equals 64. Okay, so we have this parenthesis is multiplication. Okay, multiply by, I try to distribute this power over what I have, inside the parentheses. So this is going to be 5 to the power 6, then divided by 2 to the power 6. Okay, so now from there, the next thing is that we have 25 x minus 1 equals, so now 2 raised to the power 6, when 2 multiply itself 6 times, is going to give us 64. So which shows that 64, we cancel the 64 here, I have 5 to the power 6. So now from there, we're going to have, we rewrite this 25 as index form 5 to the power 2, then x minus 1 equals 5 to the power 6. So now from there, the next thing we're going to do, so from the law of indices, the law that say a to the power b, then to the power c, so we have this to be a to the power b times c, which is a b c. Okay, so we're going to apply it here. So this power will multiply the power outside the parentheses. I'm going to be having 5 to the power x minus 1, which is equals to 5 to the power 6. Okay, then we have what we have, this to be 2 times this, I have 5 to the power 2x, 2 times minus 1, I have it to be minus 2, then equals 5 to the power 6. So now from here, I have the same basis. 5 is here, 5 is here, therefore their power will be equated. I have 2x minus 2 to be equals to 6. So I try to add 2 to both sides, okay, of this equation. So I'm going to be having 2x equals 6 plus 2. I'm going to be having 8. Divide both sides by 2. So I have x to be equals 4. So we have the solution to the problem to be 4. And that is the end of the class. If you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye bye.